from $10 to $11 to $9 back to $10. Yesterday, that was the day one of trading with $10 account. I was able to carry the $10 to $12. Then today, that is how I lose my 2% profit on my $10 account. It started from my $12, I lose it to $10. I brought it back to $11. From $11, I went back to $9. From $9, I have to fight it all back to $10. When I reached the $10 back, I stopped. Immediately, I realized something is going wrong. Then I need to put myself in check. I check my grid box and I see it was not good. I understand the power of compound interest and trading with this $10, I knew I have to fight my greed. So to me, I can say I already fought the greed. So I don't think the greed is the reason why my trading is going anyhow that day. Then I realized since it's not greed, then I'm scared. I'm scared of failure, disappointment, scared to blow the account. I'm scared of drawdown. This is going to be like the first time I'm just going to think about some people in my life, and all these people are those people I carry along with my trading journey. Then I'm scared that I'm going to disappoint them if I should blow this account. When I realized those are my fear, I picked up my phone and I messaged every one of them that I'm scared I'm going to blow the account. I'm scared they are going to feel disappointed if they ask me how far, how is the progress, and I tell them I've blew the account, and they all message me that no problem. They understand how this trading is. Even they are not a trader, but they used to see those people that talked about it online, and I should just follow my strategy and I should just do it first. Telling them I have this sense of relief. Also, them also motivating me also give me a sense of relief. That happened in the morning, so I had to give myself a break. I rest, I reset my emotion. I don't want to trade with emotion, so I waited till afternoon. And although that afternoon, one of those people that I care about, that I messaged that I'm going to be I don't want to disappoint them by blowing their account. They are with me that day, and I took a trade in their presence and it was a success. Then after I took the first trade to take another trade, I could not take another trade for real. I could not take another trade because of the drawdown I already had like that. I think I have $9. Then it was on 10. No, it was on 11 and it was I could not really remember, but I took the trade. It was a success. Then to take another trade, I'm scared, and all my setup are coming. So the person is even like, take this trade, don't worry about it. Like, no, I can't take this trade. So I just leave the market when I'm feeling like that, and I went to my wall. Though I actually use a pillow to guide my hand, then I keep punching the wall through the pillow. I keep screaming my name that yo just take this fucking trade. Then I just decided to rest till night. Then at night, one of those person like my loved one was also with me, and we talked about the trade and was like, don't worry, just push the button. Push the buy or sell button. So while we were together, I actually pushed the button and the success I said success, and the trade went south. When the trade went south, I felt a sense of relief because I'm with that person I care about. Don't lie, I am thinking of what they are going to say if I blow the account. They are present and I took the trade and it went south that night. I had a sense of relief. I don't know, but I had a sense of relief. On that day, the weather is not favorable to my health and I keep sneezing. And while I was sneezing, I have headache, and with the stress I'm going through, the stress of disappointment, failure, and drawdown, it all result into headache. That night I went to bed immediately after 10. I just went to bed that I need to go and sleep. And at the end of the day, I give thanks to God and myself that I did not blow my account. The drawdown I had, I'm back to my initial capital. Moral of the day for me is that I face my fear. I told everyone that I cared about, and I know they care about my trading at that point, that what if I do this? What if I do that? Are you not going to be disappointed in me? And I think it's going to like do you good also. It might be your parents. You can just face them, that dad, mom, uncle, brother, family, friend, best friend, girlfriend, that I'm scared. And the reason why I'm scared is because I'm thinking about what you are going to say if I blow this account. Won't you discourage me? Won't you say you are wasting money? You know, that type of stuff, because I believe nobody want to say. Hearing all those stuff is not going to help your psychology while training. You need people that are going to be encouraging you, and also you need to put in the work. So that is the moral. That is what I learned that day. Till tomorrow, that I'm going to update you on how I'm trading with my $10 account.